One of the benefits of sunflower oil is hydrates. Like the skin's own natural oil, or sebum, sunflower oil is an emollient, meaning it adds hydration and smooths. That makes it a perfect moisturizer as it helps skin to retain water. Sunflower oil is the non-volatile oil pressed from the seeds of the sunflower, or in Latin it is called Helianthus annuus. Sunflower oil is commonly used in food as a frying oil, and in cosmetic formulations as an emollient. Sunflower oil also has benefits for improves hair health. Higher amounts of tocopherol are available in sunflower oil. The study shows that the intake of natural vitamin E may help against collagen cross-linking and thus hair health. It can treat problems of baldness and hair loss. Sunflower oil is rich in vitamin E, a protective antioxidant. It also contains vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, and vitamin D, which help to protect from environmental stressors that can cause premature aging. Adiponectin is basically involved in the fatty acid breakdown. According to a study, sunflower oil increases adiponectin levels in postmenopause women, thus reducing weight. Sunflower seed oil is also rich in vitamin A and carotenoids. The antioxidant content helps to fight the free radicals that cause degeneration of cells and inhibits the growth of cancerous cells. Moreover, the selenium present in sunflower seeds repairs cellular damage. So, the incorporation of sunflower oil in the diet can play a major role in reducing colon cancer and uterine cancer as well. Sunflower oil also helps to unclog pores. This smooth, nourishing oil is non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog pores. Sunflower oil can actually help to decongest pores by clearing them of dead skin cells and creating a refreshed, revitalized appearance. Sunflower oil provides adequate linoleic acid for maintenance of the immune response. Linoleic acid is needed for normal immune response, and essential fatty acid, EFA, deficiency impairs B and T cell-mediated responses. It helps in building new cells and tissues of the body, which is beneficial in boosting the immune system. Thank you for watching.